everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off in our bedroom for this vlog because I have a little home update, room update. We got a new mattress, which I'm so excited about. When we first moved in, the previous owners left their bed and mattress, which was really kind, but we knew we wanted to get a new mattress. This is our first time having a king bed, so it's very exciting. So we got a new mattress courtesy of Dream Cloud. So huge thank you to Dream Cloud for sponsoring this video. So we got this mattress about 2 months ago and we've been loving it. The one that we got is the Dream Cloud Premier Luxury Mattress. In the mattress itself, there are a bunch of different layers that all serve as a different purpose in order to help you feel more supported and comfortable while you sleep. So first, there's a targeted support coil layer, which is designed to just support the curves and contours of your body. There's a pressure relief comfort layer that helps provide support and structure. And then there's a Euro top support layer, which helps you prevent from like sinking in the mattress, which I absolutely hate. So I love that it has this. And then there's a Euro top cradle layer, which has soft foam and memory foam to just give you that sleeping in a cloud feeling and just make everything super comfortable. Then to top it all off, there's a luxury cashmere blend cover. So it's just such a high quality mattress. I can't say enough good things about it. And if you're on the market for a new mattress or want to try out something new, I definitely recommend. We've really been loving it. So I will have a link in the description box below if you want to go check it out. Wait, it's so nice.
I know.
That's like a game changer from our last one.
Yeah, this is dope.
Wow, I'm gonna sleep so well tonight. I'm gonna share with you guys some sensory activities that I'm gonna do for Theo today. I follow Milena on YouTube and Instagram. I've mentioned her before in my YouTube videos. She shows so many different sensory activities that are great for kids. So I'm gonna do 2 of them today. One of them I already prepared, which I will show you guys. That one is with Jello. And you kind of make little like icebergs. Basically, I used penguins. He gets his little cars stuck in random places of our apartment. Let me help you. Oh, I see. Okay, there you go, my love. Car. Yes, we're saying car now. It's his favorite word. The Jello one is the only one I prepped before because the Jello obviously has to sit. So I did that this morning. I used gelatin and water, not juice, so it wouldn't be super sticky because that would be awful to clean up. Not the end of the world, but you know, if you can avoid those things, it's great.
Place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then from the 80s, someone keeps blocking my way.
I'm sure you guys have seen this, but this is the sensory table that I got from IKEA. It doesn't have the bins in it because I'm gonna fill them, but basically you put the bins in here and your child can play around with them. So it's super handy. Theo loves this. We keep this closed and he uses it as like a little play table. Super handy and very easy to clean. Is it so cool?
Moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name.
He's very unsure about the Jello because he's never played with this kind of texture before. So he's basically picking out all the penguins and picking the Jello off of them. But I think it's a success. He likes it. Next one is called the Fizzy Bin, and basically super, super simple. 3 cups of baking soda. This is 2, so I gotta do 1 more. And then 3/4 cup water. And food coloring. You can do whatever. I'm choosing grass green, whatever that is. The next part, good job, Theo. is you put any little animals of choice in the bin. So we have little sea creatures, like little crabs, little fishies. Put them in the bin. You basically want to take your mixture and dump it in and cover all of your little animals. You take some vinegar.
You go, ready, watch.
Whoa.
Whoa. Your turn. Oh. The octopus is fizzy dizzying. Oh. Is that cool or what? Oh. You want to scoop some more? Get a scoop in there. Yep.
Whoa. Is that so cool, baby?
Some more scoops.
Obviously, with like pretty much all sensory activities, you have to really watch them. So it gets all goopy and then the animals start to reveal themselves, which is so fun. So I wanted to share those two with you because I think sensory activities are really fun. Like I mentioned, the table is really great. It makes it so much easier to clean because obviously these activities can get pretty messy. But now that it's getting colder outside, it's really fun for him to have these like little activities that are just different from his toys. So definitely wanted to share in case any of you have little ones that are looking for something new to do. And they're very easy and very affordable. I just put Theo down for a nap and I'm going to make myself some lunch now. Sometimes I eat lunch with him and then sometimes I make it during his nap hour. It just depends on the type of meal and if I just want to enjoy it. He's in the phase right now where he just wants everything I have or Patrick has. So most of the times I try when we eat lunch and dinner together, we have the same thing. So he's not like, hey, what do you have? Because he just wants to try everything. And sometimes we give it to him. But for instance, today I'm making this like salmon bowl that has like sriracha and stuff in it. So he wouldn't be able to try that. So I thought I would take you along as I make it. It's the viral Emily Marie Go salmon bowl. It's nothing crazy or anything, and I'm sure you guys have seen it 1,000 times, but I thought I would take you along as I make it. I add this like cucumber salad with it. I'll show you it all. So that's what I'm doing currently. So I have some rice going back here, and then I have 2 salmon fillets, and I cook 2 of them because I usually save one for Theo. Patrick hates salmon, so I'm really glad Theo likes it. Either when he wakes up from his nap and he's hungry, I'll give it to him then, or it'll be what he has for dinner. So I just prep all of that ahead of time and eat one of them for lunch. So what I'm gonna do is sometimes I'll keep it simple and I'll just do olive oil, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and then add it to dishes with more flavor. And then other times I'll use like a teriyaki sauce or like a stir fry sauce and prep it that way. Okay, so I think for Theo's, I'm gonna just keep it simple with olive oil, a 4 Seasons blend, and some lemon and lemon juice. And then for mine, I'm gonna do like this teriyaki sauce. While the salmon cooks, I'm gonna make a cucumber salad to go with it, or like a marinated cucumbers. I basically just put a bunch of sliced cucumbers in a bowl with soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, and some sweet chili sauce, and it's delicious. That's it. That's my lunch. Delicious. I'm gonna go eat this now, and I will see you when I'm done. Also, thank you, Emily. I eat this like once a week. Currently, I am going through some Backyard Roses samples. I do this weekly, pretty much, and I go through new designs, try them on, figure out what I like and dislike, and then send my notes back. I feel like I've told you guys this before, but it's a part of my weekly thing that I do. I get this little piece of paper that has the sample size model. I usually wear a size medium in most of Backyard Roses, at least in the tops. It just depends on the piece. So the sample size is great. Well, the sample size is small, so it's on a size model, so I can see how it fits on her and what I like and don't like, and then I can actually try on my size and figure out if I like it on me. I'm really excited about a lot of these spring prints. Personally, I think spring and summer is like where we thrive on Backyard Roses. So some of these pieces are coming out so cute. I don't even think I'm allowed to show you this, but I love them. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna figure out what I wanna change about some of this stuff. Look who it is!
Hi!
Oh wait, you're really backlit.
Oh my gosh!
It's cute in here, right?
So cute. I have your clothes. Let me just a big box.
Okay.
Backyard Roses. Something hot.